Welcome to Solver series. I'm your math guru. Let's solve this probability problem in less than 2 minutes.
There are 30 marbles, of which 10 are identical and the rest are different. The number of ways of selecting 10 marbles from the group. The options are as given. The number of ways you can select 10 marbles. If you decide to select 10 marbles from 20 distinct marbles, it is 20C10, or that is plus. If you select one marble from 10 identical marbles, that's just one way. And the number of ways of selecting remaining 9 from the 20 distinct marbles is 20C9. Choose all the 10 identical marbles and do not choose any marble from the remaining 20 distinct marbles. That is 20. How do we sum it up? Let's call this as S 20C10 plus 29 and so on, 20C0. S is also equal to 20C10. We know NCR is NCn minus R. You can write 20C9 as 20C11, etc. 20C0 can be written as 20C20. Add both the equations. We get 2S is equal to 20C0 plus 20C1, etc. 20C20 with one extra 20C10. 20C10 is present in the first relation as well as the second relation. We know NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 etc. NCn is 2 power n. So 20C0 plus 20C1 etc. 20C20 is nothing but 2 power 20. So 2S is equal to 2 power 20 plus 20C10. So S becomes 20C10 divided by 2 plus 2 power 20 divided by 2 can be written as 2 power 19. So the number of ways of selecting 10 marbles from 30 marbles, of which 10 are identical and 20 are distinct, is given by 20C10 by 2 plus 2 power 19, which is option D.